How to record while you're hearing your voice using Audacity. Okay, at first all you have to do, click to open the software. Next, move up here and then click on Edit. Now, move down and then click on Preferences. Okay, now under Preferences, click on Recording option. Okay, now click on Audible Input Monitoring option. After that, click on OK. Done. Now from there, you can record while hearing your voice using Audacity software. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. See you next time.